It was in the middle of the storm last night when the phone rang, and I said, hello, and the voice said, is this Jason? And I said, what's left of him? And he repeated it, and then he repeated it one more time, and I finally said, yes, this is Jason. And he said, man, I just want to thank you for changing my life. 20 years ago, you gave me a wake-up call, and I've become a great success. He said, my name is New York. Do you remember me? And like all times in that, you know, of course, I remember you. But it got my interest, and I said, hey man, glad you called, glad I helped you, but just help remind me of what happened. And that's when he said, years ago, he recalled my motorcycle. He recalled my baby's mother. He recalled things, and he said, I was going and doing things for you, and you got it on your mind that I told on you, and you called me from a spoof number from the Garland County Sheriff's Department. And you told me this story, and it scared the living hell out of me. And then at the end of it, you just went ahead and told me that it was you. And that if you ever saw me again, you was going to put the period in my life. And he said, I toiled around for 3 weeks in town with that on my mind. And he said, I got the hell out of there and I moved back to New York. Started a big business, worked in Rhode Island. And now I'm down here with my family starting their business. See, God can even make the bad times good. It's a hell of a story. It's a hell of an honor. It's a hell of a thing to be told that out of my stupidity, out of my aggression, out of me being a drug addict and idiot, God was good enough to use that and persuade a man and change his life. Thank you for that story. Thanks for calling, New York. I love you. God bless you. Fluid English.